Hey, District 84 Toastmasters, I got a question for you. Are you a district conference first timer? Well, get ready because you're about to experience the most unforgettable event you've ever been to.
That's right. The conference is this May 16th and 17th, live from the DoubleTree Hilton at the entrance to Universal Studios. And if this is your first time, you are a VIP. That is a very important participant.
Now, if this is your first time ever, welcome. You're about to step into something amazing.
We're going to be celebrating you, and not just you, but your club's journey, growth, and success.
Get ready for mind-blowing workshops, powerful speakers, and world-class tools to level up your leadership and communication with things like pause, paraphrase, and probe.
That's right. But it doesn't stop there because after those incredible educational workshops, and don't forget the networking, you are going to have a Friday night that is non-stop fun. We have a costume contest. We have the table topics contest. There will be awards, a delicious dinner. Oh, and most importantly of all, you get to dance, dance, and dance some more.
And the following morning is even better. Saturday, 8 a.m. is the first timers downstairs, followed by more educational workshops and evaluations contest at lunch, an international contest in the evening, all at a footloose banquet and gala where flair meets full on celebrate good times. Come on.
Now, first timers. We've got a special registration just for you starting Friday at 11 a.m. with a swag bag full of goodies and a very special conference collector's booklet you will want to keep forever as a cherished keepsake.
In your amazing swag bag, you'll find a first-timers dance card to help you meet and network with other Toastmasters. And if you fill it up, you could win some amazing, and I mean amazing, prizes on Saturday night.
So, what should you bring? First, you. You could start also with a dance costume, comfy clothes, shoes, particularly dancing shoes, formal or semi-formal apparel, your phone, camera, chargers, devices, pens, papers, meds, snacks, and even your bathing suit.
Okay, now that's quite a list. Are we forgetting? Don't forget the bling. Yes, sir, Bob. This is District 84, and we really sparkle with flair, so bring the bling.
I heard the word flair, Brian.
Yeah. Ric Flair. Woo!
I knew it. Whether you're there to learn, laugh, lead, or perform, or dance, this weekend has it all.
And we have it all. Incredible educational workshops, inspiring people, unforgettable moments, and let's not forget the hospitality suite.
Yes, you may be coming as a first-timer, but you will leave as a part of the District 84 Toastmasters family.
Absolutely. This may be your first time, but trust us when we tell you this won't be your last.
Hold on.
See you at
the
conference.
And make sure to bring your Sigma personality. I'll be there too.
We'll be there. Let's go! Woo! Nice job.